This is the elevator here at another office building across the street on Ogden Avenue here in Lisle, Illinois. We have another Otis Lexan. Obviously the building's renovated just like the other two. Let's call it and go upstairs and take a ride. Wait. Do you hear that? Forward. Good boy. Wait. Oh, nice. Carpeted cabs. Let's take a cab view. Any Dino. There we go. It says carpeted walls. Interesting lighting. Fluorescent, obviously. And the fan is on. I could feel it actually. It's circulating air more than just making noise. A lot of elevators that I've been on with fans, they usually have the fans are the fan's not circulating air. So this feels kind of good. Let's see what this address is. 3033 Ogden Avenue, Lisle, Illinois. All right. There's an older Otis logo. You can tell this is an older Lexan. The 1 button's only brailled. The 2 and 3 should be, for people like me that are visually impaired. But I can see these. But anyways, let's go to 3. Oh, nice. It has an upgraded motor. Looks like the indicator's burned out. Nope, 3 works. Stay. Let's go to 1. See, this has the older black buttons. Well, the door opens black button like a lot of Lexans. And the older Lexan buttons here. As you could hear the difference from the... Let's go to 3 again. Hear the relays click. It's a little hot in here, but it's fine. Some circulation of air. Let's watch the button go out. I love that orange color. The motor's coming from here. I want to go to 2 so we can see the call station. Heel. Good boy. Forward. Good boy. Wait. We're not going to listen to the machine room. Here it comes. Heel. Sounds like the motor's upgraded. Let's wait for it to register the down call. And it's going up. Unless someone called it. I don't hear anybody getting on though. Here it comes. Let's watch the leveling. Forward. Good boy. Left. 1. Takes so long to close. Nice elevator. See, left. Good boy. Watch the leveling. That's what listen to the motor. Forward. Oh no. Wait. Put it right over here actually. Forward. Left. Good boy. Wait. All right, that's it. Forward. Yes. Good boy. All right, that's it, everybody.